You won't believe this. Jeep just shocked everyone. Jeep's first ever full electric beast has arrived. And trust me, it's coming in hot. But wait, Jeep just made a massive change and it's gonna leave you speechless. Before we jump in, a lot of you watch these videos but don't hit that like button. Let's change that right now. Smash that like and subscribe so you never miss out on game-changing car news. Now here's the deal. After a super limited 2024 release, Jeep is rolling out the 2025 Wagoneer S and it's got a brand new limited trim. But here's the craziest part. Jeep just slashed the entry price. Now you can get your hands on the Wagoneer S for $66,995. That's a steal compared to last year's pricing. Want something even more luxurious? The launch edition is still here at $71,995, and it comes packed with insane upgrades. We're talking Macintosh premium stereo, massaging seats, custom 20-inch wheels, blacked out LED 7-slot grille. But hold on, performance is where this thing gets wild. Both trims come with 600 horsepower and 617 pound-feet of torque, acceleration from 0 to 60 in a mind-blowing 3.4 seconds, 304-mile range with standard tires, but if you slap on those high-performance Pirellis, that drops to 270 miles. Sounds perfect, right? Well, there's a catch. Not everything is amazing. Unfortunately, some early testers were not happy with the ride quality. Reports say the acceleration feels too jumpy from a stop, and the ride itself a bit rougher than expected. So, is the Wagoneer S the ultimate electric SUV, or is Jeep still figuring things out? Let me know what you think in the comments. And don't forget, like this video, subscribe for the latest car news, and share this with every car enthusiast you know. Let's get this video to 500 likes. Until next time, and drive safe.